He's an aggressive raptor like bird. Yeah. Yep, he sounds like a raptor, but they're dinosaur, the yellow parrot. Raptor voice, but they're dinosaur. Yeah, this guy's aggressive. Welcome to Jurassic Amazon Parrot. This guy's crazy. He sounds like a velociraptor, Jurassic Park. They're dinosaur. Ow! Stop biting me. Naughty bird. Sounds like a raptor. Ow! Stop biting me. Yeah, this yellow Amazon Parrot is crazy. He sounds like a raptor. Huh? Ow! Stop biting me. Stop biting my finger. They're dinosaur. Shake hands. Doesn't want to shake hands. It's aggressive. What a good birdie. What a good birdie. For you. Good job for making the sound of the velociraptor, but they're dinosaur, the yellow Amazon Parrot. Swim again, Mr. Birdie. Yep, raptor sound, but they're dinosaur. Jurassic Amazon Parrot. Mr. Birdie, but they're dinosaur, the Amazon Parrot, but they're dinosaur. Yeah, making the sound, huh? Good boy. Mr. Amazon Parrot, but they're dinosaur. Here's the C. C for you. C for you. Hey, this guy's crazy. Scream. Yep, love this guy. Sounds like a raptor, but they're dinosaur. The yelling at Amazon Parrot. Yeah, this guy's crazy. Yeah, he's trying to bite me. There we go. And he says hello. Hello, how are you? Love you. Yeah, he's angry. He makes the raptor noise, but they're dinosaur. Good sound, Mr. Birdie, but they're dinosaur. Dinosaur noise. There's a tree. There's a tree. There you go. There you go. Yelling at Amazon Parrot sounds like a raptor. But they're dinosaur.